Hi friends, good morning. Welcome to Anajanak channel. Today I am going to show you how to make pesarattu, whole green gram dosa. So I have taken here half kg of green gram, 125 grams of rice, so that we will get the dosa crispy. Yesterday night I have soaked this. Now we have to grind it. So I'll put these things in the mixie, then I'll blend it well. Then for that we have to add this onion, coconut, green chilies, coriander leaves, and then curry leaves. And we can add ginger also. So all these things to be grinded very well. Grind this, and then in that batter we will add all these things. Okay, I'll show you. To prepare chutney, I have taken mint leaves. This is grown in my garden, terrace garden. Then coconut, it is chopped. Chilies, fried gram, as well as salt. So I'll make chutney by these things. I'll put all these things mixie jar. So if we grind this, we will get very nice chutney. See, now chutney is ready. Now I will add all these things into this. Then I'll grind this. I have grinded this masala and then put it into this bowl. Now I am going to add lentils batter also into this itself. So grind this like this. So your batter should be smooth. I am adding this batter also to this. So the batter need not to be kept for much time, because as we know that, see, batter consistency, we can add little more water to this while making the dosa. And it need not to ferment, because the lentils, see, it looks like fermented batter itself. Let us close this for a while and keep it aside. So I greased the pan. It's become hot. Now I will pour the batter, then spread it. Spreading. Then put some oil on that. Spread. Twist. If we rub like this, so it will spread, the excess batter will be on that, so it will spread fully, and then it fries. See, we can make out in middle, color will be changed here and there. So now let us flip it. Okay, I'll keep this aside in a plate. Let's do one more. We have to spread that evenly. Just let it cook for a while. Then let us put the oil on that. So if we rub like this, the excess batter will be spreading out evenly, and it tastes very delicious. Chutney I have shown, so it will be more delicious to eat, and there is a lot of proteins in the lentils, as we all know that. So let us use it, and then you people prepare it, comment how it is, then like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching my video. See friends, that dosa is a little bit darker, so that you can do like this also. Whichever color we want, according to that we can do it. Look at the color. One more I am putting up.